हेलो एवरीवन, आज के वीडियो में गैस लॉ को स्टडी करते हैं दैट डिस्क्राइब द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ गैस। गैस लॉ कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 लॉज: बॉयल्स लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, गैल-ल्यूसिक लॉ एंड द एवोगैड्रोस लॉ। इन बॉयल्स लॉ, वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस increases as pressure decreases assuming temperature and the amount of gas remain constant. So pressure is inversely proportional to volume, mean by increases the pressure on the container, volume of the gas decreases. Look at the below animation. K is a constant depending on the amount of gas at constant temperature. If state changes from 1 to 2, mean P1 V1 to P2 V2, then P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Next, Charles law, volume of gas increases as temperature increases assuming pressure and the amount of gas remain constant. So volume is directly proportional to temperature, mean by increasing the temperature the volume of gas increases. Look at the below animation. K is a constant. If state changes from 1 to 2, mean T1 V1 to T2 V2, then V1 divided by T1 is equal to V2 divided by T2. In Gay-Lussac law, pressure exerted by gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature when the mass is fixed and the volume is constant. Here pressure is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, mean by increasing the temperature the pressure on the gas increases. Look at the below animation. K is a constant. If state changes from 1 to 2, mean T1 P1 to T2 P2, then P1 divided by T1 is equal to P2 divided by T2. In Avogadro's law, volume of gas increases as the mass of gas increases assuming temperature and pressure remain constant. So volume is directly proportional to the amount of gas, mean by increasing the amount of gas the volume of gas increases. Look at the below animation. K is a constant depending on pressure and temperature. If state changes from 1 to 2, mean V1 N1 to V2 N2, then V1 divided by N1 is equal to V2 divided by N2. If you like this video, follow this account for more videos.